I'm Donna, and today I'm going to show you how to find your perfect foundation shade with Skin by Mented foundation sticks. With a lot of people of color, you might have difference of color from your face, your neck, your body, or just different discoloration, and you might not have one color that matches your whole entire face. So I'm going to do a couple swatches for you guys so you can see the different foundations and their undertones and how you match it to your skin tone. For me, I always find that generally, my skin varies a little bit from the perimeter to the center of my face. It's a little lighter. In the wintertime, as much as I don't want to admit it, my skin tone definitely has a lot more yellow undertones in the winter, but when I'm tan in the summer, I have more deep red undertones. So I have to use a completely different foundation depending on the seasons of the year, and that might be the same for you. First up, I'm going to apply the T30, which is a tan to medium shade with warm undertones. As you can see, especially on this part of my face, I tend to have a darker discoloration. It's just a little bit too light, so this is definitely a shade that I would use as a concealer to highlight my face. But it has the yellow undertones, which is perfect for me, especially in the winter. Next, I'm going to apply M40, which is a medium deep with cool undertones. Even though this one has cool undertones, it does match my shade a lot more. Next, I have D10, which is a rich brown with warm undertones. This one has warm undertones. It just matches my skin a lot more. The first brown, M40, looked like it was going to be my shade, but now that we have the D10, which is a rich brown with the warm undertones, this is a closer match to my skin tone. D40, which is a deep brown with neutral undertones. So you guys can clearly see that this is way too dark for me. It's even too dark for me in the summertime, but I do like to use this as a contour, applying it lightly around the perimeter of my face. I'm going to buff these all out just so you can see which one matches my skin. See, that one's just way too yellow. That one makes me look washed out. This rich brown looks super vibrant. This one is it's just too dark. It can be used for a contour, but not for an all-over base color. So D10, I'm going to use as my base color. I'm going to show you guys how flawlessly this just melts into your skin. And it's sheer enough to give you a light coverage if you want that, but also buildable if you want to do two coats of it to give you a medium coverage. And I'm just using my Mented foundation brush to just blend this all in. I just love how flawless my skin looks. And I don't have two different shades, which happens a lot of times when you don't correctly match your foundation shade. Your body will look like a different color than your face, but I think I did a pretty good job. Let me know what you guys think. You guys can go on their website and check out their shade finder. They have a shade comparison guide. Through the website, you can order a sample pack, which will let you try all of the shades for $5. So that's a really good option if you have no idea where to start with choosing a foundation, or even what couple shades that you should try out to find your perfect match. This way you can try them all out on the side of your face, see which one blends in flawlessly, and then make the purchase after that. Thank you guys for watching.